A database refers to a collection of logical, related information organized so that I can be easy accessible, manage and update database are generally accessed electronically from computer system and are usually controlled by a database management system, DBMS, the database administrator DBA, is an individual responsible for managing the database including database security, access control, backup, and disaster recovery. Next, dito naman sa database example, dito nakaka-connect yung mga pattern na bawat primary and entity may kino-connect na siya. Kumbaga, naka-pattern lang siya. Hindi siya gagana pagka hindi siya tamang-tamang naka-organize o naka-recommenda dito. And then next, example of database on-demand online video streaming, social gaming, personal cloud storage, sports, finance, government organization, social media, e-commerce. And the next, data management system. Document is the type the non-relational database, design, store, and query data. As JSON-like document database easier than for developed store. Query data database using the same document model format they use the enter the implication code. Next, relational database is a collection of data items with a predefined relationship between them. Is the item organized as a set table with the column. Row the table use hold the information about the object represent in the data. Analytic database is called analytical database is read-only system that store the historical data on business metrics such as sale performance, inventory levels, and the next graph database defines special single-purpose platform uh, for create and manipulation in graphs. Graphs contain nodes, age, properties, or which are used to represent a stored data. In the way relation, database are not equipped to do. Next, column family. Database store data in the column the families as row. That means the columns associate with the row key figure 10.1 column. Family is a group of the related data. Is to obtain access together for the customer. We would obtain the access their profile information the same, but not their orders. And then yun lang po sir. Thank you.